Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to complete the Bulletproof mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To complete this mission, you need to equip the Bulletproof Shield that you received from completing the previous police missions and block a total of 1000 bullets with it when enemies fire at you. You can block bullets fired by real enemies, or if you want to complete it quickly, you can ask a friend for help. Simply ask your friend to shoot continuously at your bulletproof shield. Once 1000 bullets hit the shield, they will all count toward the requirement, and the task will be completed. For example, I asked my friend to shoot 1000 bullets directly at my shield, and as soon as he kept firing, the mission task finished. And that is how you complete the mission. Just block 1000 bullets with your shield. After that, head back to the police station, talk to the NPC Bert, turn in the mission, and claim your completion. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.